Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare step by step. This is the first step to building your online presence, and Cloudflare makes it quick and simple. Start by visiting cloudflare.com and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Buy a Domain. This will take you to Cloudflare's domain registration section. In the search bar, type the domain name you want. If your first choice isn't available, try different variations until you find one that fits your brand and is easy to remember. When you find the perfect name, double-check the spelling, then proceed to checkout. Enter your payment details, agree to the terms, and complete the purchase. Once done, your domain is active and ready to use. You can now start building your site and take advantage of Cloudflare's built-in security and performance tools to keep your site fast and secure. And that's it. You've just purchased a domain on Cloudflare. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.